have a lot of exclusive arm toning workouts out now on my Patreon from Twice, Itsy, and more. Alright guys, really quickly before we get started, this video is actually sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands that I've been raving about for a long time now. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to high-end luxury perfumes. Think your Chanel, Tom Ford, Versace, etc. They all come in a very cute package just like this and start at just $29 a bottle. This is one of my favorite scents in here. It's Gourmand White Flowers, inspired by a Viktor and Rolf perfume. One of my favorite features about Dossier is that all of their perfumes also come with a small travel-sized trial bottle, so you can actually try out the perfume for 30 days before committing to the big bottle. All of Dossier's perfumes are also vegan, cruelty-free, and made in France, so check them out, linked in the description down below. Like I said, starts at just $29 a bottle, and there are so many scents to choose from, perfumes and colognes. Alright guys, let's get dancing!
I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine, 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine, 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. And I wanna go out with you, where you wanna go? Find a little spot, just sit and talk, looking pretty. Follow me, 우리 둘이 나란히 보이지? 내 눈이 갑자기 빛나지? When you say I'm a dream. You don't even know my name, dear. You don't even know my name, dear. 누구보다도 I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine. 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine. 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. 나 원래 말도 잘하고 그런데 왜 이런지 I don't like that. Something about you, yeah, you're special and you know it, you're the top, babe. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine. 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine. 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. You don't even know my name, do you? You don't even know my name, do you? 누구보다도 You don't even know my name, do you? You don't even know my name, do you? Look at some new me, switched it up, who's this? 우릴 봐, NewJeans, so fresh, so clean. 얼마나 기다렸던 날 드디어 time to step out. 또 한 번 더 ready for sure to have some more. New hair, new tee, new jeans, do you see? New hair, new tee, new jeans, do you see? New hair, new tee, new jeans, do you see? New hair, new tee, new jeans, do you see? Make it feel like a game. Look at us, we go on and on again. We'll go on to the end. What we wanna do on and on again. Make it feel like a game. Look at us, we go on and on again. We'll go on to the end. What we wanna do on and on again. Look at the new me, switched it up. Who's this? 들어봐, new jeans, so fresh, so clean. 얼마나 기다렸던 날 드디어 feeling so right. 또 한 번 더
Awesome job, guys. Workout complete. If you want more workouts just like this, more arm toners and girl group dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right here. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in today, and I will see you next time.